So number one, I do not have any tolerance for abuse. I endured a lot of it growing up. It damaged me. It's taken me so long to heal and so much pain, and I am not passing it on to the next generation. It ends with me. So no abuse, no emotional abuse, no harsh words, no no insults, no manipulation, no lies. I have zero tolerance for that. No physical violence, all threats to me or any of my kids or my community members, none. Or even sexual misconduct, touching people inappropriately or my kids or nope, no tolerance, nothing. And I also am not tolerant of financial abuse, whether it's control, neglect, demands, nah, no tolerance. And I'm unapologetic about my boundaries. Like I said, I was diagnosed with CPTSD, complex PTSD. I'm extra sensitive by no fault of my own. I sense things. It's actually my strength. So many things I've learned. And so in protecting that strength, my boundaries are rock solid. So disrespecting them, I can't stop anyone from what they're going to do. But I will hold myself accountable and I will protect myself and my children. I will withdraw. We don't have to engage. And if we do have to, I will require either a witness or it will be written. That pattern of behavior, nope, not going to fly here. And my children's needs. Like I said, my children are a priority. Their emotional needs must be respected. There is no room for neglect. If they want to talk to any parent, if they're expressing their emotions because they're still learning their emotions, I'm going to teach them everything I've learned now, early. Their emotions are their strength. They feel free to express your emotions. It's how do we regulate? How do we manage? How do we express responsibly? And what do we learn from our emotions? That's what I'm going to teach them. Invalidation of their feelings or experiences, unacceptable. Unacceptable. And lastly, I will not tolerate any ambushes. If I'm ambushed or any attempts to bully me, nah, I will walk away. And if I cannot walk away, if I'm locked in a situation, I will protect myself with everything in my power unapologetically. And it will be even more for my children. So those are my deal breakers. And now I want to cover repair. Because I'm human. I'm human. I've made mistakes. I will make mistakes. And I'd like to apologize, first of all, for my words and actions that have hurt you in any way. I really apologize. And I will take you through my process, which I hold myself accountable for, which is how I will deal with this, how I will deal with the repair. It follows 4 A's. 4 A's. Number one, acknowledgement. If you come to tell me that I've hurt you, something I've said, something I've done, I will actually sit and listen. What happened? How, just trying to understand the event and the context. What was your experience? Which is valid. I don't have to have been there. I don't have to have felt it the same way. Your experience is valid. And number two, I will appreciate how that impacted you. How did that impact you? Did it make you feel small? Did it make you feel scared? Did it make you feel pain? I will acknowledge that. My actions and words have an impact on others, and I totally get that. Then I will apologize to you. I will apologize for what I have done. I apologize. and I will ask for forgiveness. Will you please forgive me for what I have done, how I have betrayed your trust, how I have betrayed your confidence, how I have hurt you? And then I will also pray about it. And lastly, I will forgive myself. Because, like I said, I will make mistakes. And the fourth A is I will adjust my behavior because I will not have patterns of harmful behavior. I will not go around just hurting people. And so I will adjust my behavior and continuously practice doing so and give myself some grace because I'm not a machine, but I will adjust. And my intention is not to do that again. That is what my repair process is. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this, my story so far. I appreciate it. After what I've gone through and the healing I've done, genuinely, I'm a new man. I'm not the same person who you knew before. And so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sean Bukusi, and I am God's beloved son. And I recognize that we are all children of God. All of you are. Each and every one of you, even you. And you deserve love. You deserve to be treated with respect. My values are authenticity, accountability, integrity, and honor. Basic minimum. That guides how I live. In alignment with what God's expectation is of me, I will love my neighbor, everybody else on the planet, including you. I will love my neighbor as I love myself. My prayer for each and every one of you is abundant love from God, abundant and endless blessings. May God's will be done in Jesus' name. All right, that's it from me. See you around.